Welcome to Tech Talk. This week we're focusing on the BlackBerry Bold 39780 with all its new interface. It's got some really nice additional features added into the functionality. We're very happy with it. We've always been very happy with BlackBerry, and we're going to show you a few of the things now. You've got three functions across now. One of them is the navigation. Go through here. Flick through. You can see you can bring up your apps, but it's a very quick navigation function without having to go through deep into the BlackBerry. I've just typed in here U into the universal search. So there's a universal search function that brings up all sorts. I put in my doctor, it brings up everything related to my doctor. So the universal search function finds everything related to an individual or a word or anything. We've then got the quick access point at the top. This brings up all the settings that you want quick access to. You can access your options in a couple of clicks at your ringtones, display, all those sorts of stuff. So it's a much quicker access from the home page. And when we saw quick access, you've got the access point in the middle for all your messages, bringing in messages from SMS to missed calls to email to everything. Again, in one click, straight on the home page, you're in. Okay, and then obviously there's a set your profile, which is an easy one as well. Just thought I'd show you that. So all the things you need to access quickly are all on the front home page now, and you scroll around with them quite easily. If we just go across to the right, it is a little awkward sometimes scrolling, I have to say, on the BlackBerry. It's not a touchscreen, but some people don't like the touchscreen. So I've just gone into setup. You can set up here social networks, which is obviously very popular. Set up your Wi-Fi so you don't have to use your data all the time. You can switch between it. And then you've got your tutorials. Tutorials are quite nice on this BlackBerry. If you go down, set up the BlackBerry desktop software, something everybody should set up. We've all lost our phones. Back up all your videos, your mobile numbers, your friends' details, everything, so you don't lose it if you need to buy another BlackBerry. So it's a great little tutorial anyway. Go back up, and the convenience key. A nice little function that's worth mentioning. It's been on the BlackBerry before, but you've got the right-hand convenience key and the left-hand convenience key. You can set the to text messages or set it to clock, whatever you want conveniently to hand on your BlackBerry, it'll be there. What else we show you? Social feeds. Yep, this is nice. Okay, with the growing popularity every single day, every single week of social media, BlackBerry have got a nice little function here that helps you get started with setting up your social networks, feeding into your mobile. Obviously, if you're already registered with a bunch of social networks and different news feeds and RSS feeds, they can all come through into one place. They've preset some in the filters, so you've got your BlackBerry BBM, you've got your Google Talk, you've got your Twitter, your MSN, etc., Facebook, everything that you've already signed into. Just log in on your BlackBerry and it'll feed straight in. So let's scroll back over here. Some of the other features have been enhanced quite a bit. Messages is still great. Nothing beats email on a BlackBerry. Just sort of mention that again. Then in the browser, top right here, you see this? This is a little function to add tabs. So we just click on the plus there, and you see there we are. See, there is the extra tab for your browser. So you can add and delete tabs and keep pages open, and it's very useful just for helping bookmark things, and if you're searching around, come back to things later. Okay, I've now just gone over to the media section very quickly, and what you'll notice in here, when you go music, you get explore music apps. Then when we go into video next, if I can get it to scroll across, explore video apps. And you guessed it, in the pictures, it's going to say explore picture apps, which is great. So you can browse apps very quickly and very easily. All in all, the BlackBerry enhanced, upgraded, and we love it.
يمكنكم متابعتنا عبر موقع تويتر من خلال الصفحة twitter.com/ZaneTikTok، ويمكنكم إرسال تعليقاتكم واقتراحاتكم للبرنامج من خلال تويتر على @ZaneTikTok.